got chips. No.
Marley, I actually need a frying pan out there. That thing won't stop expelling.
Yeah, cancel it.
I think, yeah,
No,
but
you've got to press cancel it.
I did. But when you pressure cook,
You're going to press cancel and then you're going to say off.
it needs to do, or it hasn't finished cooking.
It hasn't?
No,
Alright.
why do you keep turning it off? It still has an hour left, that's why I put it on 55 minutes.
Alright.
But the thing keeps...
You keep going down, alright. If you stop. Alright.
Yeah, I need to get a pan out there. Sorry. A frying pan. I know, but I need the frying pan. I know.
Stop it.
Look, why don't you just record me opening it? You hold the camera.
Record the inside where it look like.
Yeah.
Send it. She's been getting the food.
Hang on. Thank you. That's all I want to do.
You got to eat already?
No, the dogs haven't. Zena had a little bit to eat, but they haven't really had nothing to eat. Zena had the eggs, and she had the chicken legs, so I couldn't separate none of them wings.
Leave it like that, it'll be separate by itself.
And then she had the legs.
And some beef fry.
She had the egg whites.
Put that back.
I'm talking to you. She had the egg whites. She had the.
Beef fry.
Yeah.
Yeah, carry on.
She had some of that fish. And that was it.
Yeah. Technically add something, but she just really,
Yeah.
leave the wing like that. I'll break them off and keep it. I can't go pull it apart. Leave it like that. Is that done with the chicken done now, yeah? I take it out.
Probably.
The egg and all that in there.
That's the bottom
What?
out there. No, it isn't.
What elsewhere?
No, it isn't.